Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can convert videos with MKV format in Premiere Pro. Let's get started. For example, I have this video. I'm going to play it for you. Here this is stock footage. And as you can see, it has the MKV format. So once I put it on my timeline, it shows this error. The file has an unsupported compression type, that is MKV. There are two methods to import these kind of files. For that, I'm going to take a copy of this and place it right here. And now I'm going to rename this. Just right click and click on rename. And from this part, I will remove the KV to MP4. And now hit enter. It will say that the extension will also change. Now click on yes. Now let's open this up. As you can see, it is still playable video. Now let's put it on my timeline. And there you go. Now you can use this. Now you can use this video in Premiere Pro. Now let me show you the second example. For the second method, you need to download the VLC media player. You can download it from your Google Chrome. Just write VLC. And now use the VLC for Windows, or if you have Mac OS, you can use that version. Now just click on download and then install. As I've already downloaded and installed this, I'm going to open it up. Once you have opened up your VLC media player, just click on media. And here on the left side, you can see there's an option for convert/save. Just click here. And now from this part, click on add and choose your video. In this case, we have this video MKV. Just click on it and open it up. Now click on convert/save. Click on browse. And from here, you can change the extension to MP4. Now click on save and hit on start. It will convert the video from the MKV, the format that Adobe Premiere Pro allows. Let's go back to our folder. And from here you can see the MKV file is now converted into MP4. Now you can play this video. And I'm going to place this video in Adobe Premiere Pro. And just like that, you can see there's no error here. But when I place the MKV format file in Premiere Pro, it says that it's an unsupported compression type. Now you can add this to your timeline and edit this video. And that's how you can import a video that has MKV format in Premiere Pro. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.